Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, man, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And today we're going to be going over what my favorite stock Nvidia did last week, what to be looking out in this upcoming week for it, what 2 trades I took that made the most money for me last week, and also the key levels for Tesla. So y'all definitely going to want to stick around if y'all want to make some money on Tuesday, because the market is closed for Memorial Day on Monday, man. So man, first we're gonna kick it off with what Nvidia did last week, man. And let me start screen sharing so we on the same page. You feel what I'm saying? Now see, this is my portfolio we in, man. That's where we ended it off today, where it says today. That was Friday's gains, you feel me? Because that was the last day that the stock market was open, man. So we'll go back here and look up Nvidia, NVDA ticker symbol. Y'all see it sitting at 1,069, and on June 6th they are finna do a stock split, man, a 10-to-1 stock split. And what does this mean for anybody that's already holding Nvidia options or the shares? All this means is that they're going to put this back at $100. So do this divided by 10, man. So that's what they're going to put the share price of the stock at, but everybody is going to get 10 times more shares. So it basically evens out. Nobody has nothing to be worried about, and it's really a good thing for Nvidia because it's going to put the share price cheaper. What does that mean? All the buyers are going to be stepping in the market, man, because it's a really strong stock. It holds up nice, and it is an AI stock. And if you got a cell phone, then you know that AI is the future, and we is in a revolution right now for everything AI, man. So it's definitely gonna be good looking for Nvidia. And I'd say once it comes back down, does the stock split, I'd say you should definitely look into buying long futures for it, man. So we ain't going charting the video too much. That's all I wanted to touch on there. So now we finna get into which 2 stocks helped me and my Discord bankroll, man. Hit a home run, 100% gains. If you held it for long enough, man, I promise you've seen 400% gains. And if you want the link to the Discord, man, private Discord invite is in the description, man. So y'all go tap that, tap in with the trading team, man. We giving out free sauce, and y'all can follow my live signals. But back to the basics, man. We're gonna make this pop up right here. Y'all see I bought a AMD called 10 contracts, and it was filled at 947, man. The limit price was $1.62 on this, and if you've been paying attention to the series, you know you got to times that by 100, because each one contract is worth what, 100 shares, man. So you see the total cost on everything was 1,600. We're gonna go to trade and view on AMD. And then we see we got in right around here. And I got in at the top of this little candle right here, man. Y'all see it went down, so we averaged in a little bit. If we go back to the Robinhood, y'all gonna see it right here. We average in. I wanted to go heavy on it, man, so I spent 4K at 10:01 p.m. on the same day, man. So that was about roughly 6 minutes later, man. We went heavy on this because I knew it was about to shoot up. I told my Discord I'm gonna make it pop up right there, man. So y'all know I'm not capping, not flogging, you feel me? Y'all see this junk shot up, big green bar. And like I said, man, after it started consolidating, after I saw this little red candle on the 15-minute chart, I said, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sell this, man. I never want to overstay my welcome, especially when I'm seeing 120% gains, bro. When you see 120% gains, it's really, you feel me? I feel like it's a safe double up. It's time to sell, you feel me? But whoever did hold it, y'all see, if we add 1,600 up and 41, how much is that? That's 57. We sold it for 38. That's 48. That's 48. Y'all see how I sold 40 contracts right here and then left some runners in, man? That's to lock in profits right there, man. So we not taking the loss for sure. And then I let my runners run up, man. We sold it about 10 minutes after that. What did we sell it for? Another 10 for a bin. So that's 4,900. That's 4,900 plus 17. That's 56. and then 56 plus 1600, so that's 62. So y'all see how I multiplied my money within minutes. Y'all see I sold this at the last couple of contracts at 1023, man. And where did I buy it at? Where did I buy it at? 947. So that's what, a 40-minute. I'm in them contracts for 40 minutes altogether, man. And it took no time to make 120% gains, a full double up, man. I turned my 4-piece to an 8-piece, man. So, or my 5-piece to a 8500 piece, however you want to look at it, man. I forgot exactly what was the percentage and stuff, but I'll go through the screenshots and make it pop up here, man. And then we had messed around with some SMCI. SMCI next to Nvidia is definitely one of my favorite big stocks. Like I said, they in the top 7 strongest tech and AI stocks, so y'all definitely want to look into them if y'all can. Just know that they are definitely higher risk, man. And every time I drop these in my Discord, I put in parentheses high risk, because SMCI is definitely volatile, man. So let's see where I brought SMCI for. I'm gonna make it pop up again out here, man. Let's see. All right, so y'all see right here, man, on May 23rd, I bought SMCI. I went super duper heavy, man, because I had to shake back because I had just lost a little bit of money. But I'm going to show y'all how y'all can pivot when you see a trend is not going y'all way. We about to pull it up on TradingView, man. So y'all see I bought 5 contracts. My order was filled at 10:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for 17 bands and $200, man. The limit price was $34.40, and like I just said earlier, you gotta times that by 100, man. So let's see, I bought it for 17 at what time? At 10:34, and then we had sold the 4 contracts. I left 1 runner to run up, man. Like I said, y'all can leave a runner in there if y'all think it's going to keep going y'all way and lock in some definite profits, man. We was up 2 bands total on that. Sold that for $19,200, man. I left my runner in, and then I sold the other contract for $4,500. So y'all can do the math on that, man. 1,900 plus 4,500 on the low end, that's 23,000 in a matter of 20 minutes, man. So that was roughly about a 50-60% gain. I'm gonna put the screenshot right there so y'all can see I ain't capping, man. And that was basically how I pivoted on SMCI. I'm gonna go to TradingView and pull this up so y'all can see what I mean when I say pivot, man. SMCI. We looking at this on a 15-minute chart, man. So we go over here. Is this the 23rd? Yes, this Thursday the 23rd. So y'all see how I had kind of I was front running. Don't never front run in the trade, especially on something as volatile as SMCI, man. I wasn't sticking to my setup, and I had seen it had a big old green bar to the upside. I got in calls on this green bar, and I had started getting cooked when I tell you that junk was going down. But I won't tripping though, because I stopped my loss, and y'all see how heavy I went on the contracts. I had hopped out of calls and hopped in put since I seen the trend had reversed and rejected off of this level right here, man. And if y'all see right here, I want y'all to make sure on y'all trading views, y'all turning this pivot standard indicator on, man, because that's that indicator will really help you minimize your losses and maximize your wins a lot, because you get a better understanding of where the stock is about to reject off of, man. So y'all see these big old green bars. I really could have stayed in it and got 100% gains, but I did not want to overstay my welcome with that. I didn't know where it was about to reject off of. Y'all see this pivot point had popped up, and then it got slammed, man. I sold it roughly about right here on the pivot point. I ain't overstay my welcome in that at all. It got out, and that was how I ran it up off of SMCI too. So make sure when y'all trading, man, pull up y'all trading views, turn on y'all indicators, the 9 EMA, the VMA, to make sure y'all can kind of get an idea of where the support and resistance is on a lot of these trades. If you go here on trading view and you see a lot of the times, I want to say, what is it? Oh, excuse me. Exit out of that. The 9 EMA will either be support, or if it breaks it, be resistance. I see how it kind of kept tapping off of that blue line all day. That's an exponential moving average, man. So make sure y'all turn that indicator on. It give you an idea of where most of the buyers and sellers is at for the day. You feel what I'm saying? Besides the volume bars. So we go out of trading view. Matter of fact, we're gonna have to pull trading view right back up because I want to give y'all a little sauce on Tesla before we end this video too, man. So, all right, so pull up y'all trading views right quick, man, so y'all can follow along with me. If not, I'm gonna just put it right there. We looking at Tesla on the 15-minute chart, man, and as y'all can see, resistance was 180. So I'm gonna add alert right here for my cause, me personally. Cause y'all can note that if this break 180, I'm telling y'all right now, look for it to go to 182, 185 if it wants to fill the gap. But don't front run this, because this Tesla is a stock that be having a lot of consolidation. It through dollar amounts, like it might be bouncing from 178 to 179, man. But trust me right now, if it breaks and holds over 180, not pop up, then go right back down. If it breaks and holds on a 15-minute chart, man, for more than 2-3 candles, then make sure y'all loading up calls, because I'm going to too, and we going to knock that out the park, man. If y'all in the Discord with me, then y'all going to be getting the first signal. So make sure y'all tap that link in description to the Discord, man, to join the trading team. And then for the support, y'all obviously see it's at around 173, and 176.25 is the pivot point for the last day. So make sure y'all watching them key levels, man. And as long as y'all play this right, have some patience. Make sure you do not front run with Tesla, because you might hop in calls thinking it's just going to shoot up like Nvidia, and it's not that type of stock. I'm telling you right now. It definitely depends on what the news says for them in the upcoming week, because we are in a bull market, but they haven't been having the best news lately. So just make sure y'all staying in tune. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay in tune with the trading team, because we're going to have all the ins and outs on all the news articles and what's happening with the stocks that I'm putting you on to and on your watch list, man. So that's it for the day, for real, for real. I ain't gonna keep y'all here too long, man. Make sure y'all watch that 180 break and hold on Tesla for 180 to turn from resistance to support, man. I'll keep y'all updated on Monday. We'll do some charting, man. Probably drop another video. So y'all right with me and know my favorite setups for the week, man. So hit that subscribe, hit that link for the Discord in the subscription, and I'm gonna get up with y'all, man.